everybody, today we're going to be checking out the Forest River Wildwood 29DBD. At the very front here, you're going to see your pass-through storage. And then heading towards the middle, you're going to find your outdoor kitchen. Now this does have a cast iron outdoor griddle, a little fridge to keep your drinks cold, and then right next to that you have a spray port as well as your sound system by JBL. Looking down, you're going to see that this camper is dual axle. You have a TV backer already put in place for you, and then below your entry door you have solid steps as well as that grab handle. At the back corner here, you're going to find your water heater, and then looking down below it, you see that you have automatic jacks. At the very back of this camper, looking up, you're going to find your backup camera prep as well as your Lippert ladder backer. Below that, you're going to see your spare tire. And then heading around this other corner, you're going to see that this camper is 50 amp with your cable and satellite hookups right next to it. And then down below, you're going to find your city water connection as well as your black tank flush. Heading around the driver's side of this camper, if you look up at the top of the corner of the slide outs, you're going to see that you have slide topper prep. Nice little upgrade. And then looking down, you're going to find your wastewater holding tank as well as your sewer outlet connection. Making our way forward, you're going to find the other side of that pass-through storage. And then at the very front of the camper, you're going to find your battery disconnect, battery box, propane tanks, and power tongue jack. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper, to the left you're going to find your control panel as well as your solar controller and your sound system. At the very back, you're going to see two bunks on your left. The bottom bunk does flip up in case you wanted to add a little bike or maybe a kayak. You have room to do so. You do have charging ports throughout the bunk, both top and bottom. And then to the right of the bunks, you're going to see your half bath. So you have a max air fan up above. You have a nice curved mirror, sink, storage down below, and then you find your toilet. Outside of the bathroom, if you need a place to get ready or maybe a little work from home station, you do have the space to do so. You have storage up above and below with outlets, of course. And then stepping out into your living room area, you're going to find your little dinette desk area. It is adjustable so that you can change it however you'd like. Across from that, you're going to find your entertainment center. You have your fireplace, TV backer already put in, and then you have a little bit of hidden storage, maybe pantry storage, totally up to you. You have hookups for your TV as well as a little cable through guy. And then heading towards your living room area, you're going to see your L-shaped sectional. So this does have storage beneath it. It does come with these little tubs, which is really nice. And then across from your sectional, you're going to find your kitchen area. So you have an oversized fridge, 3-burner cooktop with oven down below. And then above all that, you're going to find your microwave. Now it is a little bit of hidden microwave. It is on struts. Pretty cute. And then next to it, you're going to find a little spice rack. So you have a single basin sink, storage above and below. And then heading down the hallway to your right, you're going to find your bathroom. Now this bathroom, you do have a skylight above the shower, a little bit of extra headroom. And then you do have your toilet right across from it. Stepping further into the bathroom, you're going to see another curved mirror. Really aesthetic, really nice. You have your sink, storage down below. And then you have little cubby holes. Put your towels, soaps, whatever you need. Stepping out of the bathroom towards the very front of the camper, you're going to see your king-size bed in your main bedroom. Now this bed is a VersaTilt, which is really nice, gives you a little bit of extra leg room. You do have a little bit of cubbies down there to put your shoes or socks. And then you also have pet steps on the right side of the bed. So if your furry friends like to sleep with you at night, that's going to be the way to do it. Across from the bed, you do have a walk-in closet that is washer and dryer prep. You do have chargers on either side of the bed. And then a little bit of wardrobe space on the left-hand side with your clothing rod. All right, guys, that is going to be your 2025 Wildwood 29BDB. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. desk area. It is adjustable so that you can change it however you'd like. Across from that, you're gonna find your entertainment center. You have your fireplace,